Good morning students, my name is Shashank Verma and today I am going to discuss fraction and that is part 6. Okay student, so we discuss 5 parts. In 5 parts we discuss lots of things, type of fraction, how to reduce the fraction, mixed fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, everything we discuss. In this video students, we will discuss what? We will discuss some other topic that is also very important, and your topic is multiplication of fraction. First is multiplication of fraction. Okay student, so how we will do multiplication of the fraction? As you know that the multiplication, the same multiplication, you know that like 2 into 4. Okay, as example I am going to take student. Example like I am writing 2 into 4. है 2 into 4. It means what? 2 into 4 means what? You know that simply this is 8. You know that 2 into 4 equal to simply 8. Okay student, but also you can represent like 4 into 5. 4 into 5 it is given as student. So if multiplication you know, so you can write down directly 4 into 5 equal to 20. But if the student who don't know about the multiplication, he will write down what? He will write down 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Why he will do this? Because 4 into 5, it means 4 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay student, so when you will add, it will come what? 20. Also it will come 20. Okay student, it will also come 20. So what is the meaning of actual multiplication? You know that directly you know that this is 20. So what is the need of doing this? What is the need of doing this? Okay student, there is no need of doing this. So multiplication means simply you will do multiplication. Now next example we can also take. Next example we can also take a student. Next example we can also take. This given like 4 into 1 upon 5. 4 into 1 upon 5 it is given student. Okay. अब the student who don't know about how to solve this, he will write down 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Okay, why? Because 4 multiplied 1 upon 5, it means what? 1 upon 5 4 times. Now student, you know that this will become what? LCM is 5 and 1 plus 1 plus 1. All are same. Means 5 1 5 1, 5 1 5 1, 5 1 5 1, 5 1 5 1. It will become what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It means it will become 4 upon 5. Okay student, but this is the long process. The student don't know about the simple multiplication. Okay student, now you know that the multiplication, so you can write down 4 upon 1 into 1 upon 5. I explained that you can write down denominator. If not nothing is given, you can write down what? 1 you can write down. So 4 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator students. Numerator multiply by numerator. It means 4 multiply by 1. It will become 4. And denominator multiply by denominator. Denominator multiply by denominator. It will become 5. Okay student. So देखिए see student, 4 upon 5 is also coming. 4 upon 5 is also coming. So why we use that process? Why we use that process when we know how to multiply? Okay. So student, this is the basic concept of the multiplication. This is the basic concept of the multiplication. Now student, I will take some example like how we will find out. So example it is given student like 4 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 8. Let us assume student, this is the example it is given. So you can solve this question by 2 ways. You can solve this question by 2 ways. What? First you can multiply numerator and denominator, and denominator. First you can multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. Then you can also reduce it student. Okay. But also one method you can apply. What? You can also reduce here. It means you can reduce numerator by denominator. Okay student. It doesn't matter कि this numerator you can reduce with this denominator. This is not the foundation. Okay. This numerator you can also reduce with the help of this denominator, or this numerator you can also reduce with the help of this denominator. Okay student. So there is no foundation. Now you know that student, 4 1 4 and 4 2 8. You know that very well. Now 7 1 7, 7 2 14. 7 2 14. Okay student. Now 2 into 1 student, what? It will become 2. That's it. Now 2 1 2 student, again 2. Now again you can reduce, so you have to reduce till you will reduce. So 2 and 2 cancel out, student, it will come 1. So our answer is 1. Okay student. Again when we will solve numerator and numerator and denominator with the help of multiplication, so what will become student? 4 upon 7 into it is given 14 upon 8. It means 14 4 ja 56 and 8 7 ja student 56. Okay student, 8 7 ja 56. Again student 56 upon 56, the result is 1. So with the help of both formula student, we will find out the same answer. We will find out the same answer. Okay student. So if you know math is about what, you have to do the things in the proper manner, and you have to find out the correct, the appropriate answer. Okay. So why you are using this lengthy process? You have to use this process. Again I am going to give one another question student. Another question. Now you will solve and you will find out it is when you know the method, you can solve the question very easily. Like 3 upon 7 into 1 whole 3 upon 4. This do you know that now student? So first what you will do student, you will write down first 3 upon 7 like that. And now you can solve this. You know that now? Denominator multiply by what? This number 4 into 1, 4 and add in the numerator 4 into 1 yani 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. What it becomes student? 7 upon 4. This do I explain very well. Now this is the example of mixed fraction. Now next 7 1 just 7, 7 1 just 7, you can reduce it student. Okay. Now what left? 3 into 1. So it will come what student? 3 upon what left student? 1 into 4. It means numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay. So it will come what? 4. The correct answer is student what? 3 upon 4. This is our appropriate answer. So by this way student, you will solve the question in very simple way. Okay student. Other example, I am giving 4 to 5 examples student for your better understanding. Okay. So you will not face any problem while you will solve the question. The next example I am going to take 4 upon 5 of 7 over 3 upon 16. 7 over 3 upon 16. Okay student, you know that of is what? Multiplication. Of this multiplication, we will write down 4 upon 5 into 7 over 3 upon 16. Okay, because according to board mass, first you will write down of. Now next student, first you will simplify this mixed fraction. So you know that the 4 upon 5 you will write down same, there is no change in this 4 upon 5. Now it will become what? 16 7 ja 102. 16 7 ja 100. Okay student, you will multiply 16 into 7. You will multiply 16 into 7. It means 112. है ना? 16 7 ja 112. You will multiply 16 into 7. 112 or plus 3. 112 plus 3. But don't forget, sometimes you forget to add. Okay, so your answer will be incorrect. 16 7 ja 112. 112 plus 3. 115. 115 upon what student? It will come what? 16. Will come 16. Now if you are able to reduce it student, then you have to reduce it. Now you know that 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. Simply you know that 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. Another you know that 4 4 ja 16. What it will come? 4 4 ja 16. It will come student what? 23 upon 4. So see student, this answer is also correct. But let us assume in the option this answer will not given. In the option this answer will not given. It will given in the form of mixed fraction. So don't be confused. If this question will ask in the form of MCQ, so it may be possible it will given in the form of what? Fraction. So what you will do student? Mixed fraction. So 4 and you will divide. 4 5 ja 20. What left? 3. You know that process? You know that process. First you write on this one 5, next 3 upon this one 4. So 5 4 3 upon 4. I explained this type of question many times. How to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay student, means how to convert fraction into mixed fraction. So this is the 5 4 3 by 4. So student, by this way you will do the multiplication. I think this whole concept is clear. Okay student. Now the next thing I am going to explain student, reciprocal of the fraction. This is also very important topic student. The next topic is that reciprocal of number. Reciprocal of number. This is also very important topic, student. You have to be careful. Reciprocal of number. अच्छा student, see its name indicate reciprocal. Its name indicate reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Reverse. It means reverse. Okay. So now I will give the example. See, two numbers are called reciprocal of one another. See student, definition very important. Two numbers are called reciprocal of one another if what? Can you guess? If their product is 1. If their product is 1. Okay student, so this is the what? This is the basic definition. Two numbers are called reciprocal if reciprocal of one another, means two numbers are called reciprocal of one another if their product is 1. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this student? Okay, we have to find out the meaning of this. Now you know that student, if I will take example like 4 upon 5. I am taking 4 upon 5. Up you know that the reciprocal means what? The product of two numbers is reciprocal to each other if their product is 1. Their product is 1. So student, try to think which number you will multiply in 4 upon 5 it will come 1. Which number you will multiply with the 4 upon 5 it will come 1. You know that if you will multiply 1, some student will think 1. So it will come what? 4 upon 5. It will come 4 upon 5. But this is not the appropriate answer because we have to find a product 1. So student, for this what we will do? We will multiply by its reciprocal, its reverse. Yani 4 upon 5, reverse of 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. Okay student, so this will come what? 5 and 5 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel, it will come 1. Okay student, to see our definition, it is proved if the product of two numbers is 1, it means both are reciprocal to each other. Yani 4 upon 5 is reciprocal to 5 upon 4 and 5 upon 4 is the reciprocal of 4 upon 5. Okay student, some other example we will take because this is very helpful for your next questions. Next example I am going to take. If 6 is given, find the reciprocal of this student. 6 is given, find the reciprocal of this. So what you will do student, you know that you can write down 6 upon 1 because nothing is given, it means denominator you can take 1. You can write down what? 1 upon 6. This is the reciprocal. Okay, how you will check? You know that the product should be 1. So 6 upon 1 multiply by 1 upon 6. Okay student, 6 and 6 cancel, 1 and 1 cancel, answer is 1. It means this is the correct reciprocal. Next what you can take student? Next you can take also like example I am taking 3. Okay student, 3. So what it will come? Reciprocal is 1 upon 3. How you will check student? If this is correct or not, multiply it. 3 and 3 cancel, answer is 1. Okay student, this is come. So if examination in the question, if it is given find the reciprocal of 2 upon 3. Let us assume this will come. Find the reciprocal of 2 upon 3. So you will directly write down. You know that reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Okay, there is no need of checking because you know the concept. Only I given the concept for your understanding. But when examination it will come question, you will find out. If it is given, it proves that. So you will do what? You know that 2 upon 3 and reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. What left student? Only 1. It means this is correct. But you don't have to prove. You can write down directly. So student, this is the basic concept of the reciprocal. Okay student, I think now you are able to understand what is the reciprocal. So you will solve the question based on this. All questions are very easy. Now next thing I am going to discuss student. Next thing I am going to discuss, that is what? That is division of the fraction. Division. Okay student, next thing I am going to show division. How to divide it. Division of the fraction. Division of fraction. Division of fraction. So students, I explain you about reciprocal. So it will work here. It will work here. Now students, what? Some example I will take, like this given example. It is given 4 upon 5 divided by 3. Okay student, you have to solve this one. 4 upon 5 divided by 3. So what you will do student? Simply, you know that this is what? 3 upon 1. 3 upon 1, everyone know. So what you can write down? 4 upon 5. Now student, this will change into multiplication. Divide change into multiplication. It will write down multiply. And now you have to write down the reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal of this number. It means 3 upon 1 is given. It will become 1 upon 3. It will become what student? 1 upon 3. That's it. So answer will be what student? 4 into 1. It will become 4 upon 15. Because you are not able to reduce it. Because you are not able to reduce it. So by this you will find out your correct answer. This is the division. Division means we have to write down the reciprocal of the number which is given right side. Next example I can take student. 5 whole 1 upon 3 divided. This also always apply when divide sign is given student. 4 upon 15. But some student will do in the same multiplication. No student. Multiplication you can do directly multiply numerator, and denominator. But in division we have to see carefully. Now student, you know that first you will convert this one. First you will convert this one. Okay student, it will become what? 16 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 15. Okay, everyone know how to convert? I explained lots of time. So 16 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 5. Now you know that if 16 upon 3 we will write down same, and the right hand side the number is given 4 upon 15, and divide sign is given. So divide will change into multiply. Divide will change into multiply, and this will become what? 15 upon 4. 15 upon 4. Okay student, one simple thing, divide will change into multiply. Now it will become what? 3 5 ja 15 and 4 4 ja 16. Okay student, now 4 into 5 is what? It will become only 20. It will become 20. That is your correct answer. Some students will confuse why we are doing this. So here I am going to explain. See student, we will write down 16 upon 3 divided by, divide is upon 4 upon 15. You will write down like that. It will become what student? It will become what? 16 upon 3 it will be same, and 15 will go upside. 15 upon what? 15 upon 4. So 3 5 is 15 and 4 4 is 16. So answer is also 20. Okay student? So this is the things which also you can do. But student, in this you will be confused. You will be confused. So always apply this one. Okay student? So here I explained today what division, multiplication and reciprocal, 3 topics. 3 topics I explained. One another question I am going to take. This is the last question of this division. Like it is given 3 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 16. Okay student? Simple. You can write down 3 upon 4 multiply sign, divide change to multiply into 16 upon 3. Reciprocal of this one student. Okay, it will become what? 4 4 ja 16, 3 1 ja 3. It means 1. Now here also 1, here also 1. 4 into 1 student what? 4 into 1 you can write down 4 upon 1. So answer is what? Answer is 4. So student, see, it will very less time consuming, and you can solve the question based on this very easily. Okay student? So for today that's it student. Now you have to solve the question based on the division, multiplication and reciprocal. Next video we will discuss the next thing. Thank you student.